Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, it's the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper. Oh, apologies. My tripod is not working very good. In the daily newspaper of Monday, yes, it's still Monday, August the 15th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku. So now we have two puzzles left, the Saiva block in Dutch, but in English they call it tectonic, with 4 stars. And now it's time for the binary puzzle number 5019. 5019. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 a binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O. Here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Well. And now 1, 2, 3. Interesting. Come on. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Then double O, here one, there one. Yeah. Come on. 3. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, oh, that cannot be because we have here no, there no. So between 2 O's comes an 1. Overlooked. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I think we need to compare. Yeah. Because, yeah, that's my conclusion. Alright. We have here 3 rows and 3 completed rows and 3 columns. Okay. Oh no. Yeah. This column I cannot compare. I think we need to compare the rows. Yeah, this row and the second row. 1 1 1 1. Empty box 1 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be the O. We have a O here, this should be the 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in the last column, so the rest are O's. Finish in 5 minutes. Yes. Only one time comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. Tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.